for a good late game team fight. We'll see if this one will go past 20 minutes.
Let's head over to the land of Dawn, ladies and gentlemen. Can Leon Esports bring fire and spirit back into Mekong, back into Laos in the MLBB community? Or will it just be another Turkish team moving forward here in Group A? Let's see the matchup come through.
Yeah, it looks like they're both starting the purple buff here. So probably just going for a different pathing, not to meet against each other. And so far, RX is doing quite well against La Manche. The Hive does need the Zaman Force for, for you to basically be able to actually trade better against a fighter.
I would go as far as not the Zaman Force, just the Chrono Dash to get away from the AoE of the first skill. That way you can kind of kite the export well enough and also deal damage at the same time.
Alright, we're looking at the emblems for the Jushin. This time for Agi, it's a lot more familiar, right?
Yeah, just more movement speed, making sure that
Exactly.
you're fine. And looking at Identity, quite a big, not a big change, but quite a change here. I think using the same build in terms of emblem, having the Inspire, the set, Inspire, as well as pull yourself together. So making sure that you always have your Flicker, which I can definitely see going up against Joviana as well as Water.
By the way, it's also important to note that Leon Esports brought in 2 Purifies, right? We were talking about the combo earlier on with RX and XE as well. So that is something that I think they are anticipating and that they do see. But with Wactor as well, they got to be able to layer in their CC and try to make this work.
But in a way, it kind of makes their job a bit easier, right? At least for Identity, at least for RX2, they don't have to account for that Flicker to come in. If they want to just go full on with the Last Insanity. Looks like Kazue will start the total for his team. Axie, once again, beautiful. Oh, somehow stolen by the Lance out of Water. But it looks like Boostgate Esports, they're stuck. At least Axie in the back line. And it's going to get taken down, chased by 4 people of Leon Esports.
Yep.
Okay. Good start for Leon Esports, right? They're able to pick up the neutral objective. You can see quite a bit of fight as well, and the way that they were able to get that neutral objective, the combo of skills was also very clean. Boostgate Esports though, how are they going to retaliate?
I feel like with the draft having a Yi Sun-shin, I think they're A-okay because you just don't lose too much in the early. Get 2 items, and then once you get your 2 items, you're honestly going to be fighting at a very even playing field. So I think they don't have to panic here. They lose by 1,000, but with the draft, I think it really doesn't matter. XC, Wactor, they have a lot of playmaking potential. So they're just waiting for their damage dealers, Kazue and Identity, to be there, right? So I feel like just don't lose too much anymore. In the second turtle fight, if you don't have a good angle, just poke them out a bit, and then don't commit, and then you're good.
I think things are going to go down in second turtle, right? Because XE level 4 already, RX as well. But this mid trio has been quite 50-50, no? Very different to that first game.
Yeah, I think it's also the fact that Hylos has much more HP pool than the Cho. Yes, the Cho can just weave around the CCs and also the damage, but it is still a favorable matchup for the Hylos.
By the way, I kind of like, now that I think about it, why would I want to use a Tigreal if I have a Sora?
That's a good point, but might have to wait for a second here. Wactor procs the Purify for Agi. And no Purify at all for the second objective fight here. They might want to use that to their advantage.
Yeah, so it looks like Leon Esports, they're actually trying to find ways to catch Identity here, but they're playing quite safe. But now, I wonder if this is an overextension. No, Wactor gets out of there. They should not overcommit.
There you go, Shifting Skies, dragging free back to the Mount Shocker, Kazue. That's all the CC in his life to do that. Looks like in the backline though, Identity super low. La Manche getting the execution towards the mid laner of Boostgate Esports. EXO or RX actually taking down Water after that team fight.
That's a 3-4-1 trade.
XC,
yeah, no, I mean, I guess he thought somebody was in the bush, right? So didn't get it. Unfortunate, but in the end, at the end of the day as well, Boostgate Esports, they take everything back, that control back away from Leon. They actually pick up the purple buff as well on top of everything. That was huge.
I gotta say, the rule of cool outshines everything, and that was very cool. We talk about the wombo combo that they have with this draft. It was more than I thought.
Uh-oh, Wactor, Xe, and Kazue. Or Kazue actually didn't get the assist, but it is still a kill towards Lamaj. Bottom lane though, RX might be the payback here for Leon Esports, but no, he's still somehow surviving with the flicker.
It's like, yes, you have Purify,
Yeah,
but
it's
like,
not enough.
exactly, there's so much you gotta purify out of though.
Because in my head, I'm only thinking about the shifting skies and then the follow-up. I forget that Eve can set it up for the Sora as well. The Yi Sun-Shin can set up for the Sora as well. So they can layer, and this is the, I would say, the most disgusting layer because it's big AoEs and it's quite easy to time.
Oh.
You eyeing for the Sky Piercer on the
Yeah.
Hey, you need something, man. You need to make sure that someone from Boostgate dies.
Do they feel like
Ultra late game to.
Oo nga, no?
Lamang ba talaga yung Boostgate Esports?
Alam mo, napapaisip din ako, pero
Lamang ba kasi yung Yi Sun-Shin lang yung totoong ultra late game hero dyan eh.
oo nga eh. Alam mo, iniisip ko nga kung paano nila sasagutin din dun itong Harit mamaya sa late game eh. Lalo't naka-purify din naman ito.
Oo, kasi yung Harit, wala kang papatumblingin dyan eh. Masaya yan tumambling eh.
Masaya, gusto-gusto niya yan eh.
Malikot yan, bata yan eh.
Oo, alam mo naman, pag mga bagets, full of energy yan eh.
Oo.
Gaya namin, di ba? Gaya natin. Full of energy tayo. O, yan ah. Speaking of energy, uy, grabe, napakarami naman pinindot ni Water. Pero naibig siya mula sa River Manipulation Identity. Ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin lamang. Dalawa kagaling napatumba dito ng Boostgate. Na paging Lawrence Pate, bibitin uli. Or aatras muna itong si RX. Lamaj ay na-late na naman sa party, kaya malaya ang Boostgate Esports na kukunin ng pinakahuling pakong ng larong to.
Burit, na-inspire ako kay RX, pre.
Bakit?
Ang ganda ng X-Borg pick. Na hindi natin nakinita na ganito pala ang gamit niya.
Yun pala.
Because of Leon Esports' draft na gusto nilang pumosisyon. Zoning is the name of the game.
Oh,
Nababasa ni RX. Kung kanina, passive siya or siya lang sumusunod sa team niya, ngayon siya yung pwedeng magdikta. Okay, guys, dito ako magla-last insanity ha. Kayo na bahala, habulin nyo.
nagugulo nga actually yung formation ng Leon Esports eh. Kasi
Yeah.
hindi na naman biro yung damage ng isang, X-Borg.
Lalo na kung makita natin yung items.
Oo.
Kasi bilang X-Borg na naka-impure rage, pwede kahit sabihin natin na nerf yung Warax ha, gusto mo pa rin mag-Warax eh.
Mag-Warax ka pa.
Oo.
Di ba?
Oh, yun, si Kazuya nga nag-Warax eh.
I mean, for heroes kagaya ng mga ito, talagang kailangan mong bumuo dyan ng Warax eh. Oh, wait lang ha, sumipa. Yun lang, magandang info ito ha. Lalo't, ang sinipa nila si Jinsu. Actually, pwede nga sila mag-force ng teamfight kung gugustuhin nila. Pero mas magiging maingat ang Leon Esports, lalo na less than a minute ay pabuhay na rin naman yung unang Lord.
Sa may bahagyang taas ng mapa, upper quarter, dito lalabas yung Lord. Kaya nga naman nakita natin merong 2 members sa baba na nagpo-push. Slow push para
Slow
maganda
na.
yung flow. Top lane, pinadala nila si Xe. Na kanina, nung early game, nahihirapan siyang hanapin yung combo eh. Pero ngayon, again, ang daming zoning options ng Boostgate Esports. Perfect yung naging bangga nung draft eh. Para sa Leon Esports, zone namin to ha. Nasa Boostgate naman, zone namin kayo. So parang paunahan sila humanap ng posisyon. And so far, ang nangyayari, si Leon yung nabubuli out.
Oo. Alam mo, bigla akong naisip, dati pa naman talaga, no, ginagawa na to. Pagka may mga makukunat na hero, pinatatapan talaga yung X-Borg.
Yes,
Kasi nga,
X-Borg or Lunox.
X-Borg or Lunox. And
Or
in this case, kailangan nila lang kahit papano frontline dahil nga may kakulangan sila. So nagdesisyon na lang sila, sige, X-Borg na lang tayo kahit papano mahihirapan yung isang Hylos na humarap. Kasi hindi mo bibilin trip ng X-Borg eh kapag ikaw Hylos eh. Susunog-sunugin ka lang yan eh.
So, naging problema ngayon naman ng Leon Esports. Since yung X-Borg na nga yung sabihin natin main character ngayon. Siguro kanina naisip natin, ang daling patumblingin na to. Hindi natin na-consider, ang dami pa palang ibang hero sa Boostgate na problema. So, ngayon nahihirapan silang patumblingin yung X-board.
Oo, nahihirapan sila patumblingin. Tama ka dun eh. Kasi actually, kung iisipin mo, sila Madge, napakalaki ng role dito sa larong ito. Kailangan talaga nakasama siya. Kung ang goal ng Leon Esports is lumaban ng 5v5. Tino mo, kalahati ka si Jinsu. Pokes pa lang yan mula kay Identity at kay Kazue. Hindi pa sumasama dyan itong si RX. Pero sabi nila, sige, laban natin. 20k ang buhay ng Lord.
RX, zoning out. Hindi ko alam kung alam niya nandun si Water Okay, spotted.
Kita niya.
Si Water gumagalaw lang ng bush to bush. Lord, kalahati lang buhay.
Okay, yung minions ay na-flow na rin doon sa may bandang gitna. May magre-react mula sa Leon Esports. Hindi na nila papansinin. Tingnan natin. Kasi sila man, sabi niya, sige, patagalin nyo lang yan. I-clear ko lang yung gitnang bahagi. At ang si RX ngayon ang itinatalaga nila para humawak ng Lord na ito. Tuloy-tuloy lamang ang pokes. Aji ngayon ay pinapalayo doon sa dot bush or doon sa pixel bush. Itong mga miyembro ng Boost Guys na umaapak.
Ayaw hawak pa rin ni Exy Tapos hindi niya pa ginagamit.
Sa baba.
Meron pa rin siyang Thunder at Torrent form na ult. Sa baba, sila
Sila
Madge
Madge.
malayo. Kaya goal signal to para sa Boost Gate.
Ayan na. Naku, kailangan din kasi mag-react ng Leon Esports. I think tinanggap na rin ng Leon Esports na sige, bigay na lang natin, i-clear natin yung bottom. Ayaw na natin mabasagan pa ng additional na turret. Pero hindi ako sure kung yun ba talaga yung final decision nila or sinabi lang na nila Madge na okay, guys, i-clear ko lang to, patagalin nyo lang. Pero
Or
hindi kasi nagawa ng Leon eh.
Or Burits, baka napilitan lang sila. Na parang, sige, pili tayo. Anong mawawala? Torre, Lord, or pareho? Sabi nila Lord na lang.
Oo.
Pero tinan mo, mapupush din naman yung babae.
Yun nga eh.
Ganon kalaki yung threat ng Boost Gate Esports sa team fight na kaya nilang itulak yung Leon Esports into a defensive position na wala na magagawa yung Leon.
Mahirap ito nasasabi natin kanina na may balancing clear wave ang Leon. Pero ngayon kasi, kanino sila aasa dito kay Jubiana? Si Aji ay hindi rin naman sapat ang kanyang clear wave. Okay, at sumabog na rin dun yung aura sa taas. Ganon din naman sa middle. Wala namang mababasag. Pero na lang kung ipopersay nito. River Manipulation na gamit. Napalayo ng mga membro ng Leon. Tagumpay ang pagbasag sa top. Next pa ata ang gitna. Jinso ngayon ay pinupuruan. Kalahati ang kanyang buhay. Tatawid itong si Jamal. Kaya lang ang problema ay si Jubiana ay nandun na rin. Nagamit niya yung kanyang ultimate. Si Wagner ay sasalo. RX na patumbling nila pero walang pang final blow eh.
Oo. Again, lahat to pinilit lang ng Boost Gate Esports. Lahat to galaw nila. So yun yung problema. So far, Leon Esports, sumusunod lang sila. They're only doing what Boost Gate Esports is allowing them to do. Jinzu, medyo kumukunat na rin. Nakabuo siya ng Chastise Pauldron to try and counter Kazue. Pero, worth it ba yun? Worth it ba na investment yun sa items niya?
Oo nga eh.
Is that efficient gold use?
Well, si first name Chastis, last name Poltron ng ang kanyang binuo dito. May napapaisip din ako na
Siguro kung may Moscow.
kung may Moscow pwede
may carry,
eh.
pwede.
Oo, yung normal hits talaga, di ba?
Oo. Again, kaya lang to importante, ladies and gentlemen, kasi sobrang gipit ng pera para sa Leon Esports.
Oo.
So the fact lang na nabuo mo yung item means napag-decision mo yun. Glorious Pathway,
Okay.
napag-decision ni Jinzu, sino mahanap nila?
Tingnan natin kasi si Exy ang naka-frontline. Binangka lang dito ni Kazue at napigilan din kagad ng Leon Esports. 28 seconds para doon sa next na Lord. Nahihirapan pa rin lumabas sa mismong base ang Leon. Even Jamal ay hindi rin makalaro. Tingnan mo naman, siya ang pinaglalaroan dito. Nagpapakita lang si Wachter at ginugulo kung ano man ang mga planong gawin dito ng Leon.
So far, isang item na lang ang kulang ng Yison Shin ni Kazue. Endless battle mukha ang kanyang buuin. Ladies and gentlemen, Lord Spawns. So, tinignan natin dito si Wachter, no? Nakabantay pa rin sa likod. And may minions, so alam ng Leon Esports na may naka-flock na show.
Okay, 23k ang buhay ng Lord. Kalahati na ito. Magpapakita na ang Leon. Wala silang ide. Ayan na, nasipa pa! Si Jubiana. Oh no, walang XP lane ng Leon Esports. Magiging malaking problema ito. Alam natin kung gaano kahirap na walang impact ng XP sa objective taking. Kaya magdedesisyon ang Leon Esports na isuko na lang at antayin ang pagsugod ng Boost Gate. Total, makukumpleto rin naman sila. Ang hirap nito, pre, Ang hirap nito.
Hindi lang siya mahirap. Ano to? frustrating para sa Leon Esports. For what? 5 minutes now, ang ginagawa lang nila yung pinapayagang gawin ng Boostgate Esports. Nakahanap naman ng sipa,
Lalim.
nakahanap ng zone, kaso hindi pinindot ni Wachter. Ganun ka-scary, Burits. Pwedeng laruin ni Wachter, mind games. Oh, isipahin ba kita? Oh,
Oo.
Hindi. Tapos may flicker pa siya.
Naku, buhay siya dito ha. Naku po, para sa Leon Esports, masusubukan talaga ang tibay ng team na ito. May Lord sa itaas. Pwede mag-flow na ng wave at antayin dito ng Boostgate. Ganun nga kanilang gagawin. Hindi na nakiklear yung middle. Isasabay nila yung bottom. Naku, disaster ito para sa Leon Esports. Kailangan nilang madaliin na maklear itong Lord na to.
Sabog lahat ng inhibitor. Best case scenario, hindi pa matapos yung laro. Worst case, tapos to.
Tapos, maaari talaga. Naku, si Aki. Napagamit kagad ng Crimson Beacon ngayon. Si Jamal ay kailangan ng lumayo. Naku po, si Jinsoy namatay. Napag-examine force. Pop na rin yung immortality. Si XA mamamaalam din. Kazuwe. Ang baba na ng kanyang buhay. Makukuha siya dito ni Jamal. At itong si RX, sinusulog-sulog lamang si Juviana. Nakadalawa sila manch dito. Pero may minions pa sila nakasama. Walang magbe-base lock. Walang magta-tower lock dito sa Boostgate. Kailangan nila umatras. Alam nila na wala si Kazuwe. So sinuko na lang nila.
Buhay pa. Leon Esports, humihinga pa. Napalit nila yung lead. 5K na lang. At naka-items pa sila match. Burits naging power spike yata para sa Harit na to, yung Holy Crystal.
Oo.
Kanina. So, before the Lord, nakabuo na siya ng Holy Crystal. And after the Lord, dahil sa mga waves na pumasok, dun sa kill nila kay Kazuwe, tsaka kay Exi, nakabuo na rin siya ng Blood Wings. Ang tanong, sapat na ba yun? Kasi feeling ko, yung mga items yun, wala namang magagawa kay RX yun eh. Plus, ang pangit pa ng sipa ni Wachter. Hindi niya nahanap yung perfect target kanina.
Oo. Kung titignan natin, para dito sa instant replay, brought to us by Gcash. Ganda rin lapag ng Zaman Force eh. Naipit din kasi pala si Exi. I mean, wala siyang time. Wala na siyang panahon para tumakas pa.
Yep.
Dahil nga, hindi pa available yung flicker niya, di ba? Even yung dash niya, feeling ko na-expend na rin niya dahil nga nag-thunder form na rin siya. So, ngayon, 25 seconds. Sobrang importante sa Leon Esports to. Ang motto nila at ang goal nila ngayon, guys, -1 lang. -1 lang.
Oo.
Kailangan nila mag-1.
Luckily, kaya nila yun.
Oo.
Kasi ang dami nung mga parang single target crowd control nila. Meron sila nung balagbag ni Agi, meron sila nung order ni Jinzu, tapos Landshaker, kung matimingan ni Juviana, na may flicker naman in 10 seconds. Ang problema, pre, yung Boostgate Esports, sobrang daming damage source. Itong Leon Esports, sila Mudge lang talaga asahan nila. Hindi naman kaya ni Water yun eh. Si Water finisher lang.
Oo.
Sila Mudge talaga.
Wait lang Aji, masyado ka atang malalim dyan. Ako nakita siya ni Exi, kalahati kagad yung kanyang buhay. Nag-transform na rin sa Thunder.
Glorious Pathway.
Pero Glorious Pathway nagamit. Ang baba na buhay ni Jinsu. Flicker din mula dito kay Exi. Nagkagamitan na ng mga spells, pero nandun yung sipa ni Wachter. Kaya lang sa kabilang panig naman, ang baba na ng buhay ni Juviana at mamamatay siya. Wachter bumili pa ng Athena Shield. Ngayon si Wachter ay nakapatay. Ganun din naman sa kanya. Sa kamay dito ni Kazuwe. Pero sila man siya nagwawala na. Naku po, patay din ata dito si RX. Meron pa naman siyang tumbling. Pero hahabulin pa siya dito ni Wachter. Meron pa yung immortality. Pero tatapusin natin ni Kazuwe. Ang dami nila mga minions sa kasama dito. Walang ultimate sila man. Sakto din yung pagkakalapag. Pero hindi.